Well, here we've got a Philips 5400 series coffee machine, and let's have a look. Out of focus. Yes, it's very easy to use. It comes as a unit like this, and you get instruction booklets, you get some grease, and you get a little ground coffee scoop, and this little beaker, when the machine's cleaning, it'll spout water from there into a container that you place down here. And this unit is very easy to just place down there, and you put milk into that little container. This whole tray pulls out for you to empty the ground coffee. Very easy to use. Got a drip tray, a little tool down there. And before you install the machine, you get that little, can you see that little thing? That little water filter. You give that a while before you install it, give it a little shake, fill it with water. Obviously give this little tank a rinse before you use it. Plug it into the gasket seal until it's firm, as in my photo, and you fill it with water. And this little part comes out like that, and you can see the little water filter and the cleaning, the door for cleanings down there for the unit. And you've got this little tiny solid platform to put your cups. Very nicely made prestige. That's where your coffee comes out through here. And you've got a little slot here for powdered coffee and stuff. You can tip into there. And this one's got a little rubber gasket where you can, there's a little chute, a little pan with a hole where you can put your coffee beans in. The panel, super easy to use. I've never set up a machine like this, and it's all self-explanatory. Step by step, you open it and it says English, and you press OK. You are about to set the language, and you press it again to confirm. Follow the next step, which I've already done. I've got this little slip of paper with 4 little squares on. Run it under cold water for about a minute, and each of the white squares will turn to purple. In my case, all four strips turn to purple. So 4 strips, 4 sections, enter. You selected 4, confirm. Let's get the coffee machine ready. So it's gonna go through its heating up and cleaning process. So I'm just gonna pause this to save time, putting a little beaker there for any cleaning water to come through. It makes this bit of a noise when it's rinsing, and you can see it's cleaning the spouts and things, just like it would in a proper big, well, this is a proper machine. It's awesome. While that's going on, you can see all the different types of coffee you want. You can just press, and the settings clean up and down. It's amazing. Fill it with beans, refill water tank, and enjoy your coffee. So I'm just going to pause it now. So I've topped up the water. I'm just going to fill it with some beans. Putting some coffee beans in. Okie dokie. Coffee beans in. I don't know why it's there we go. Some coffee beans. And let's put the flat back on. Coffee beans are in, and I'm going to press OK. So that's that done. Please select a drink. I've not even put the milk in, so I don't know if I should put the milk in first or something, but I'll do that for safe measures, just in case. So I'm just going to pour some milk in. Just going to fill some milk in for safe measures. So I've put my cup there, milk's in, beans are in, cappuccino. and it shows you how much beans and how full you want it and blah blah blah. So I'm just going to press OK, and you can scroll through OK, OK, place the latte, go, and then press that button. Well, here we go. Let's have a look. My first cup. Oh, you can adjust that as well. You can adjust that as well by pushing it down. Oh, this is exciting. My first cup of coffee. And it says brewing. Right, let's have a look. Oopsie daisy. Spilt a bit. Well, at least it's my first time. So now I have to remember to place the cup further out. Place the cup further out, and this must be the coffee. Oh, so yeah, so you hold your cup out for the frothy milk. And there we go, look at that. This is exciting. Enjoy, and it's done. Cappuccino, look at that, beautiful. Just gonna give it a taste now, let's have a look. Oh my goodness, this is good. The froth, the coffee. Oh, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Thumbs up. Great machine. I've got lots more coffee to try yet. It's fantastic. Apart from the bit of mess. So at least I know what to do now. Froth in there. Or at least put the cup, you know. At least put the cup so that you're both covered everywhere. Lovely. Pleasurable, easy to use machine. Foolproof. If I can do it, I'm sure my grandma can do it as well. It's so easy to set up and clean. Can't believe it.
So I've taken everything out of the packaging for this. This is the Philips 4000 series. There's the box there. Espresso with LatteGo. LatteGo is this, so you don't have to froth your own milk. Comes with all these beans go in there. Not that, that's ground coffee, I think, and the beans go in there. I haven't fully read the instructions, so bear with me on that. I'm not 100% sure. You get your drip tray. You have the water tank, which you need out because it comes with a filter, which you have to immerse in water for at least 30 seconds. Give it a shake and then put it in water before you use this. Push it in nicely. That clips on there like that, so that it's quite easy to set up. Put your plug. You have some grease. I have to check out where the grease goes, but it recommends you grease the brew things every 2 months. I think this could be the brew things. This goes up and down, depending on the size of your cup, of course. Comes with a little scoop. I'm guessing that's for 1 scoop of ground coffee. So this, I think this does ground coffee as well as beans. You do have a water hardener strip. So you run this under your tap and see which one it is. And apparently in here, in the manual, you go onto the machine and check, you pick your water hardness. So that's good because that means it works with the water you're using. You get all your handbooks, you get all these, and you get this. I actually like it. I mean, obviously you've got to pull all these stickers off before you can use it. Start button. It's amazing. I've been looking forward to this. Like, I've wanted one of these for quite a while. Definitely so far a go-to. If you're a coffee person like me, or if you have a little shop or something like that, this is probably going to be really good. I have seen one of these in a restaurant somewhere, and I can't remember where, but so it does make like restaurant style coffees. You got more drinks, cafe au lait, latte macchiato, which is my favourite, cappuccino, americano, coffee, espresso. You can have your profiles, you give it a clean and the settings. So basically what it does now, we just need to set it up and see how it goes. So let me do the
Enjoy.